Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account error, so you can actually start streaming again without any issues. So first, simply make sure you're logged in with the correct Netflix account on your device. So sometimes a simple log out and log back in can solve the problem. Now next, check that your device is actually registered under the correct household. So to do this, you simply have to go to your Netflix account settings, then manage devices, and make sure your device is actually listed there. So if it's not, you then have to remove any old devices that aren't being used and then add your current one. So also make sure your Netflix app is updated to the latest version. And then simply restart your device after making changes. So after this, your device should be recognized and you'll then be able to stream without seeing that message anymore. And that's really it. So that's all we had for this video. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.